Chapter 9, Seeking Answers for Students, Undercover Reporter. The situation is inconsistent rules of transfer credit. Lawrence Hagonia, a student at Central State, basically switched her major from to journalism, and one of her classes, like a math class that she took earlier on, no longer counted, like I guess as her credits. So she kind of talked it over with other students to see if they had the same problems, and she figured out that transfer students had it even worse than her. Like with some of the transfer students losing up to like 10 credit hours or 10 courses, I guess they said. Because there was one case where a student transferred from Kilpatrick Community College and stated that they lost over 10, 10 courses, which is a good amount. Like, say they're all 3 credit hours, that's 30 credit hours right there. That's a whole year of classes. That's tough. Um, so she like got different transfer students to talk to each other and basically discovered that some of the transfer students had credits for a specific class and another like student had didn't have credits for the same class, so they kind of began to discover some discrepancies between students. Um, yeah. Sigonia started to look into it some more and started to research online. She basically found an article stating that there were no federal laws telling colleges how to like govern credit or transfer credits. So basically, it's up to the school, and they can choose any criteria to accept or deny the classes. So it's totally subjective to them, and it's a case by case situation. Um, she interviewed counselors at both colleges to get a better understanding and like feel of how these transfers, happen. And she also posed as a transfer student and talked to a secretary at a registrar to like, get some more undercover information. So that's kind of like the moral issue here. She lied, saying that she was like transferring from school to school and wanted to see what classes would be accepted or not. And yeah, the secretary basically told her, like, gave her a rundown of like 6 classes and told her which would be, accepted and counted and which didn't and which she would have to do over. Um, so when she started to write her article, she was kind of afraid of the reception she potentially would get from, people who read it, either students or other teachers. So that was really the moral issue kind of going on here.